Welcome back students. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 6 which is applications of ratio and percentage. So moving to our third topic which is discount. Discount आप सभी को पता है what is discount? Discount is a relaxation on MRP. MRP पे आपको जो छूट मिलती है हम उसको बोल देते हैं discount. So it can be calculated in amount and in percentage also. कि कोई भी चीज़ है अगर वो amount में लिखी जा सकती है तो वो परसेंटेज में भी लिखी जा सकती है. सो डिस्काउंट इज जनरली द रिलैक्सेशन ऑन एमआरपी. सो जैसे कि देखो आप जो आपको मार्क्ड प्राइस है, ठीक है, वो तो आपका क्या है एमआरपी है, और जो डिस्काउंट मिला आपको, ठीक है, वो कुछ अमाउंट होगी, और जब उन दोनों को माइनस कर देंगे, जब मार्क में से डिस्काउंट माइनस कर देंगे तो यू विल गेट द एग्जैक्ट नेट सेलिंग प्राइस, मतलब जो आपको कितने में बेची गई है, मतलब जितने में आपने उसको खरीदा है, ओके, दैट विल बी द अमाउंट. कि मार्क्ड प्राइस में से अगर हम एमआरपी में डिस्काउंट माइनस कर देते हैं तो हमारे पास वो प्राइस आ जाएगा कि हमने जितने भी उसको खरीदा है. ओके, सो यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट विच इज इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड ओनली डिस्काउंट, कि आपको पता है कि मार्क प्राइस क्या है और उन्होंने आपको कितने रुपए का दिया है, मतलब कितने रुपए उन्होंने आपको लगाया है, तो अगर उन दोनों को आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो व्हाट विल यू गेट द अमाउंट ऑफ डिस्काउंट. सो मूविंग टू द थर्ड विच इज डिस्काउंट परसेंट. सो दिस इज सिंपल फॉर्मूला जैसे हमने प्रॉफिट या फिर लॉस के लिए कैलकुलेट किया था, कि जैसे हमने किया था ऊपर प्रॉफिट नीचे कॉस्ट प्राइस, वैसे ही डिस्काउंट बाय मार्क प्राइस इनटू 100. सो यू कैन रिलेट दैट फॉर्मूला फ्रॉम दैट साइड. ओके, सो ये आपको फॉर्मूला याद करना है. ओके, सो अगर इस रिलेशन को लें तो इससे हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा, मार्क्ड प्राइस. ओके, सो मार्क अगर नेट सेलिंग है इसको इधर ले जाओ, सो व्हाट यू विल गेट, मार्क प्राइस इज इक्वल्स टू नेट प्राइस प्लस डिस्काउंट. ओके, सो हम इसके बाद फॉर्मूले करने जा रहे हैं क्वेश्चंस. ओके, सो एग्जांपल 13 हियर यू हैव गिवन दैट a shirt is marked at 550 rupees, means MRP of shirt is 550. On a festival sale, there is a festival and there is a sale on that festival and you will get 22% off on that shirt and find out the net price. So using that discount formula you can calculate that. What was the formula? See here, discount by mark price into 100 is the discount percent. So 22 is equals to discount by MRP. What is the MRP? MRP is 550 multiplied by 100. So this will get cancelled and again you can cancel this here 2 and here you will get 11, cancelling by 5, so you will get 11 here and 2 here. So now cross multiply and get a value of discount. So discount is equals to 22 into 11 divided by 2. So you can cancel this also, so you will get cancel. Okay, so 11 into 11 you will get your discount. What is this? 1 to 1, obviously 1 to 1 ही आएगा इसका. So you will get 1 to 1 as a discount. Now you can, what you have to do, you have to just minus using that formula. Net price is equals to mark price minus discount. So this is the discount and this is the mark price. You have to subtract this and you will get your answer. Okay, so moving to the next one, example number 14. In this you have given that a product has a MRP of 800 rupees and net selling price is 600 rupees and you have to find discount percentage. And discount percentage formula is discount upon mark price into 100. So what we have the mark price MRP and we don't have discount. So firstly we have to find out discount. So what is the discount? Discount is MRP minus net price according to that formula. So what you will get, 800 minus 600. So what is discount? Discount is 200 rupees. Okay, so 200 rupees आपके पास में क्या आ गया, discount. So now you can use this formula, discount by mark price. So it will 200 by 800 into 100. What you will get, cancel this also. What you will get here, 4, and now dividing 100 by 4 giving you 25%. तो आपको जो डिस्काउंट है वो कितना हुआ, 25%. सो मूविंग टू द आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस. So guys, here is example 17 to you. In this what is given, in this question given is TV MRP is 15,000 rupees. कि जो TV की जो MRP है, मार्क प्राइस है, वो क्या है 15,000 rupees है. एंड ट्रेडर इज गिविंग द डिस्काउंट ऑफ सक्सेसिव 8%, 5% एंड 2%. इसका मतलब क्या है कि जो ट्रेडर है वो पहले 8% डिस्काउंट दे रहा है. जब 8% डिस्काउंट होने के बाद में जो हमारे पास में वैल्यू आएगी उस पर 5% एंड उसके बाद में जो वैल्यू आएगी उस पर 2% ऐसे दे रहा है. सो फर्स्ट हमें फर्स्ट डिस्काउंट फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. सो फाइंडिंग 8% ऑफ 15,000. सो फॉर्मूला इज इजी. 8/100% means 1/100 and off means multiply 15,000. Cancelling these two zeros, what you will get? 150 multiplied by 8. So what you will get? 1200. So your first discount is 1200 rupees, and what is the amount remaining behind that? 15,000 minus 1200, you will get 13,800. Got it? So now moving to the next discount, which is discount on this term, because now the price is this and successive discounts are. So okay, so 5% of 13,800 rupees. So 5/100 multiplied by 13,800. So cancelling these zeros. So multiplying 138 into 5. What you will get? 690. So 690 is the exact discount on second term. So now moving to the third discount, but still we have to calculate the value which is remaining behind. So subtracting 13,800 by 690. So what you will get? You will get 13,110, because when you subtract this you will get this term. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to find 2% of this term. So moving to the third discount, which is 2% of this term. So 2/100 multiplied by 13,110. So now cancel this term. Now multiply these two. What you will get? You will get 2622, right? Multiplied by 2, 2, 2, 6 and 2. Okay, and downside 10. So you can place it as decimal. So put it as decimal, 262.2. So this is the third discount. So now what is the term remaining? We have to subtract 262.2 from this amount. So you will get 13,110 subtracting 262.2, and what you will get? 12,847.8 remaining. Okay, so this is your net selling price. Okay, so this is the question. So now moving to our next part, there is one more question. So now guys, question number 16. In this is a new type of question you have to do. All your exercises consist of these questions. Okay, so first question is, a trader is giving 15% discount. Okay, and second question is, how much above cost price must he mark his goods to make a profit of 36%. कि ऐसा वो क्या करे कि उसको 15% डिस्काउंट भी दे दे और 36% उसको प्रॉफिट भी हो जाए. सो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कैलकुलेटिंग इट फॉर प्रॉफिट. सो लेट द कॉस्ट प्राइस, मान लेते हैं कि उसका जो कॉस्ट प्राइस है बी 100 रुपीज. ओके, सो फॉर मेकिंग 36% प्रॉफिट, व्हाट इज द सेलिंग प्राइस? सो सेलिंग प्राइस विल बी 136 rupees, right? And now the given discount is 15%. Discount is 15%. So if the thing is marked at the rupees of, marked at 100 rupees, so selling price will be, or net price will be 85 because there will be discount of 15%. Okay, so now for 85 rupees mark price will be 100. Okay, so for 1 rupees mark price will be 100 by 85. Now for 136 rupees what will be the exact price? So multiply both sides by 136. So you will get in what? 100 divided by 85 multiplied by 136. Okay, so now cancel this by 5. So you will get here 17 and here you get 20, right? And when you cancel this, what you will get? This will be divisible by 17 into 8, giving you 136. And what is exact multiplication? 160 rupees. Okay, so for 136 what we have to sell at 160 rupees. So what is the profit? The mark price is 100 rupees and making 60 more means 60% more, means he have to mark his goods at 60% more so that he will give 15% discount and get 36% प्रॉफिट. उसको 60% ज़्यादा मार्क करना पड़ेगा कि उसको भी 36% प्रॉफिट हो जाए और कस्टमर को 15% डिस्काउंट मिल जाए. Okay, so these type of questions are there in your exercise. Okay, so you have to solve it all alone. So next we will do in our next lecture. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay home.